In this video, I am going to show you how you can create unlimited Facebook accounts without providing your original phone number or email address. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. As you can see that I am on the sign up page of Facebook, and using the same method, I have created a lot of accounts. So what you have to do is to click on this option that says create a new Facebook account. Click on next, enter your full name, then click on next, enter your date of birth and click on next. Select your gender and click on next. Now it's saying that you need to enter your mobile number, but what you have to do is to click on this option at the bottom which says sign up with email address. Now in order to get a fake email address, you need to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type tempmail, TEMPMAIL. Click on this first link. Okay, now your temporary email address is being created, so wait for a few moments. Once the email address is created, click on copy, go back to Facebook and paste the email address right here. Click on next. Now create a strong password for your Facebook account. And after creating the password, all you have to do is to click on the sign up option. And that's it. As you can see that your Facebook account is now created without your original phone number and email address. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.